My name is Leray, and I travel the world, answering all the unasked questions, from the inner workings of the soul to the grand universe as a whole. Welcome to Larry's Universe. I am here today to answer the age-old philosophical question, why does rain smell the way it does? We have hired a top team of self-proclaimed scientists to delve into this matter, and they've been researching for months and months to find me an answer. What they have for me to say to you today in Larry's Universe is this. The worms are mass-producing umbrellas. I don't think we're paying them enough. No. There's no.